What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave and today we are kicking off a new build series. This is Build Biology. So you own a set of BBS RS2s or you're thinking about purchasing a set and you want to convert them from a 2-piece to a 3-piece wheel. This video is going to go over some of the things you need to know, and at the end of the day it all comes down to safety. I've got a set of BBS RS2s on my Volkswagen, and there's other people out there online that have problems when converting BBS RS2s from 2-piece to 3-piece. This is also going to be applicable to other 2-piece wheels or OEM wheels that you want to mill the face off and convert them to 3-piece wheels too. So I'm going to go over some of the things you need to know to do it safely. So before we get going with the video, quick shout out to Image Manufacturing Company. I teamed up with them to make this exploded BBS RS2 wheel design t-shirt. If you want to grab one, I'll post a link in the description below. Head on over, check them out. So if you're new to 3-piece wheels or you don't know what it means, it's pretty simple. Basically the wheel is made up of 3 different pieces. You have the face of the wheel, the lip, and the barrel. Now those 3 pieces are all bolted together with bolts around the circumference of the face, and how you assemble the wheel really affects the structural integrity of the wheel. Most wheels are what's called sandwich mount, where the face of the wheel is sandwiched between the lip and the barrel. With a BBS RS2 though, or some other 2 to 3-piece conversion wheels, you have to face mount the wheel, which means the face goes on the very outside, then the lip, then the barrel. Now if this process is not done correctly, it can cause the bolts to snap, which is obviously pretty unsafe. Quick history about where 3-piece wheels came from. Came from the 70s and the 80s in motorsport, and it basically allows for quick repair of the wheels. If the lip of the wheel gets damaged or the barrel of the wheel gets damaged, you don't have to replace the whole wheel. You can just disassemble and replace the damaged bit of the wheel. It also allows you to easily change the offset and the width of the wheel. You can put a bigger lip on, you can put a bigger barrel on. Changing those things will change the offset of the wheel. Obviously you can make the total width wider or narrower by changing those parts. So let's head over to the workbench where I have a wheel mocked up, and I will show you the 2 key important things when you convert a BBS RS2 or other face mounted wheel from a 2-piece to a 3-piece. So this is the face of a BBS RS2 wheel. This would drop into the barrel of a 2-piece wheel and get bolted to it where you see that bolt. Now on a regular 3-piece wheel that you would sandwich mount, you would have the lip on the outside, you would have the face of the wheel in the middle, and you would have the barrel on the backside like so. The most important thing when mounting 2 or 3-piece wheels is what's called the register. That is this 90-degree angle right here on the back of the face. Now the reason why that's so important is because you need the shape of the barrel and the shape of the face to match perfectly in that register. That's what gives the wheel structural integrity. Now if you look on the front of the BBS RS2, because it's originally a 2-piece mount, you see there is no register. There's also no way to mill a register in due to the design of the wheel. You're going to lose too much material and there's going to be nothing for the bolts to go through. So because of this, you have to face mount the wheel, in which the face goes on the front, then the lip, then the barrel. Now you'll see when I hold the card up like this, right here on the barrel, there is no support. There is no register to support the barrel of the wheel. And so without this register to support the barrel of the wheel, when you're driving down the road and you go over a bump, the barrel is going to flex. It has no support on the back side, and that's what causes bolts to snap and could unfortunately cause some catastrophic failure of the wheel. So there's a few things you need to do when you 3-piece convert a BBS RS2 or any other 2 to 3-piece conversion wheel. You need to make sure the register is deep enough to support the lip and the barrel of the wheel. So right here, you need to take these to a machine shop and they need to mill this register deeper. So when you bolt the lip and the barrel together, there is enough support on the backside of the register to support the barrel as well as the lip. The second important thing to make sure is that the face of the wheel drops snugly into the lip and the barrel. If there's any movement there, the bolts can flex a little bit, and that can also cause the bolts to snap. So quick recap. 2 important things when you're converting BBS RS2 or other 2-piece wheels to a 3-piece conversion. Number 1, you need to make sure the register is deep enough to support the lip and the barrel of the wheel. Number 2, you need to make sure the face drops snugly into the lip and the barrel. Now, if you take the wheels to a machine shop and they get that right, you shouldn't have any problems with the wheels. There is also a third thing you can do for a little bit of peace of mind, and that is to have the lips and the barrels welded together so the barrel can't flex separately from the lip or the face. You may want to consider a 32-hole conversion as well, where you add in 16 additional holes between the lip and the barrel, or on the back of the face to the lip and the barrel. Okay guys, gonna wrap this one up there. Thanks for watching. If you want to snag yourself a t-shirt, head over to Image Manufacturing Company. I'll post a link in the description below. And as always, give me a like, a subscribe, share, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time.